We're here at Icon Park and we just subscribed to Pride Coaster Club and you should too.
Come join us for the adventures of Pride Coaster Club. For the adventures of Pride Coaster Club.
So hey guys, I find myself here back at Icon Park today. I came back to totally ride the giant wheel here because the giant wheel just looks so awesome. And I so just have been wanting to ride it, so might as well come back and let's go get some giant wheel action because that's what's totally good in every way possible. Own the sky, that's the only way, the Icon Park way. Let's go head inside. And you know what, I'm gonna go to the bar and grab a drink beforehand because that sounds good too. And some tickets because that's how you get the one on the wheel. You guys so know that before I go on the giant wheel, I totally have to stop at the bar and grab some awesomeness. Get all of that deliciousness right there. Round one. So I totally got my brew. We're at the wheel at Icon Park Bar. I got the Beach Blonde Ale that's right there. So let's go dig in from the Three Daughters Brewing in St. Pete, guys. This is gonna be super good. Totally looking forward to it. Now that I got a brew, it's all about the wheel entrance. So let's go head over and jump on this awesome wheel. I totally love this. They have a bar right before you get on the wheel. Legitimately, that is so awesome. So you guys so know I had to get another brew before going on the wheel. I got the John IPA from Cigar City Brewing. So one more round of balls to the ground, guys. Drink it up, pound it down, pass it around before you go on the Icon wheel that does not go upside down. And just like that, I'm gonna totally get on this awesome wheel here at Icon Park. Literally love that. Here we go, inside the wheel. Ooh, there's a table in here. And a place to hold my beer. Perfect. And there we go, we are taking off. Oh yeah. Literally guys, I got my own cabin. This is pretty cool. How to play your own music in the capsule. Ooh, totally gonna have to do this. In the cabin, playing some what we love best. This is cool. Starflyer awesomeness right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Super cool in here for sure. There's even a pole in here if you really wanted to dance and get radical. The gears and stuff, I don't know if you can see it, but this is so legit. So many ways in here. Love it. Almost to the top, guys. There's the cabin at the top right there. And we are almost on the top of this awesome wheel. Wheel of Fortune. We are at the very tippy top. Oh yeah. Right above the park we are. Look at that. Oh yes, Icon wheel time. This wheel's rad, guys, I'm not gonna lie. Seriously, super awesome in here. That is one crazy awesome ladder right there. Goes all the way up this wheel. Imagine trying to climb that, guys. That thing's crazy cool. And just like that, guys, we are back and almost at the bottom of this crazy cool wheel. Seriously, this has been a good time. Like, for sure.
Welcome back.
He's dancing it up. Love that. That is so awesome.
Make sure to watch our step.
And just like any good park ride, it ends in the gift shop. Love that, because that's totally what's good in every possible way here at Icon Park. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this random adventure to the wheel at Icon Park. You never know what crazy awesome things I'm gonna want to randomly film for you guys. You know, because that's always what's good in every single possible way. So please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe here on YouTube, as you never know what crazy awesome things I'm gonna do for you guys again, or what park I'll end up. Maybe I'll end up back here at Icon Park. Maybe I'll go back to Disney, but you know what? I'm really feeling like a trip to Knott's Berry Farm's in the works. Love you guys. Please stay safe, beautiful, and amazing. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. That guy loves everybody. So just beyond the wheel, guys, you're gonna find this awesome store right here called Spreading Love. I know I put this in my last video, But seriously guys, make sure you come over here and you check this out. This store is awesome. There's so many cool gemstones and minerals here. Like, it's so much awesome. And the owner, she's quite amazing and beautiful and such a very sweet person, guys. So after you go ride the wheel here at Icon Park, make sure you come over here and check this out. Definitely one of the coolest things here at Icon Park. Love that. Seriously, like, no matter where you guys are in this park, you see this awesome looking wheel right here. It's so cool. And especially with that moonlight right there, oh my stars, that is so pretty and so beautiful. Love that so much so, Icon Park style.
Come join us for the adventures of Pride Coaster Club.